My friend Darcy Miller, of course, Darcy Miller Nussbaum, she has a beautiful Seder every year. And Jane, my friend Banker Jane, she has her big Seder every year. So I kind of miss that in quarantine. I have had to cook my own Seder dinner tonight for tradition's sake. And right now I'm going to show you how to make the best latkes. Don't tell Jane I said that. She thinks hers are the best, but I think mine are the best. And the recipe comes from, guess who? Big Martha. So in a bowl, I've already grated the potatoes. You can see them right here. They're freshly grated Idaho potatoes. My mom always said they had to be Idahos or russets. And I've also grated 1 large shallot with 3 large Idaho potatoes. And in this bowl, and oh, by the way, the potatoes were soaked in ice water until I got ready to, and drained until I got ready to combine everything and make the beautiful potato pancakes, the latkes. So we need 3 eggs. And again, I'm just sort of guessing, 3 eggs, 1 egg per potato. That's what Mom used to say. And these farm eggs are such a gorgeous color. Not only gorgeous on the outside, look at these shells, but gorgeous on the inside. Bright yellow yolks. They have been eating all the scraps from the vegetable greenhouse, and they are laying like crazy. Yesterday we got 68 eggs from the hen house. And now mix those eggs very well with a wire whisk. And a good pinch of pepper and a good pinch of salt, like 2 pinches of salt. And mix that right into the eggs. And then Mother's secret, and it's not in a lot of recipes, but at least a cup of beer. And the rest of the beer, guess what? Why you cook them? It's so good, it tastes so good. And we're using Presidente beer. Has nothing to do with the Seder. You see how foamy it gets? That foaminess is really important to make a light and fluffy latke. Now put your potatoes and your onions into the mixture. And I then also add some flour just to bind it all together. Just toss this. Mom said you always had to grate the potatoes by hand. And if you nicked your knuckles, that was also important in a way because it was a sign that you were paying attention to the Seder and not your fingers. Didn't make any sense then. It still doesn't make any sense. I hate grating my knuckles on a box grater. It's very painful. So there, looks good, right? So it's basically potato, onion, egg, beer, salt, pepper, and flour. I don't know what other people use in their potato latke recipes, but this will do. I think I need a touch more flour, and I'll just add a little bit more, just a little. Don't want to add too much because you don't want it to be bready. You want it to be potatoey. So heat a skillet with about 1/2 inch of a nice bland oil, like a canola oil. And I'm going to fry them in canola oil in just a second. Oh, and by the way, the brisket, delicious. I'll be photographing that too, but I'm not going to show you step by step, but I'll give you the recipe. It is delicious brisket. I kind of winged the recipe in the Martha Instapot cooker. It's such a good cooker. 1 hour and 25 minutes, and I have the perfect brisket. So here I am frying in my favorite saute pan, the French copper saute pan, the latke. The oil has to be hot, and the potatoes have to be put in the pan, and no more than 1/2 inch thick. And you put them on one side, turn them over, flip them on the other, and then I like to flip them over again to the first side. It's a little messy. Keep wiping up your stove, but this is definitely worth it. There's no substitute for homemade potato latkes. Serve with sour cream and applesauce, or sour cream and caviar if you have it.